There's no doubt that we're in the middle of an AI revolution in many parts of our lives, but I want to talk about it particularly in terms of point of sale software, POS software. So here at Tower Systems, we've offered embedded AI solutions in our POS software since 2023, and we've updated them regularly ever since that first release. For us, what we're delivering with AI is real, it's tangible, it's usable by local small business retailers. That's who we're focused on only, is local small business retailers, independent retailers, specialty retailers. And this matters to us, this whole AI discussion matters to us because we exist in a competitive marketplace. You have a lot of software companies making a lot of noise about AI, saying how they're doing this or that with AI. There was a competitor recently who spent a fair bit of time publicly promoting AI tools with their software. And it turned out what they wanted their customers to do was to take some files, load them into something like ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude, manipulate them, and then load them into their point of sale software. And they were saying, hey, that's AI with the software. And it's not at all. The AI tools they're using are external to the software. They're not embedded with the software. You can't access them from within the software. And I think this matters because if you're promoting to somebody that you've got AI tools in your software, you need to have AI tools in your software. And to me, those tools, particularly in the marketplaces that we serve, the tools need to be demonstrable. They need to be real. They need to be embedded in the software. Local small business retailers typically don't have big IT departments behind them or even IT people working in their businesses. They are retailers grinding away every day just to keep the business running. That's what small business is about. That's what local retail is about. They don't have the benefit or the luxury of a big IT department or external consultants or some other expensive set of advice or tools to help them make decisions. And so here at Tower Systems, when we say we offer AI-enabled point-of-sale software, that's what we have. It's demonstrable, it's real, it exists in the software today. And the AI tools in our software help retailers in a bunch of ways. Most simply, in the form of being able to import pretty much any invoice a supplier provides, whether it's a spreadsheet or a PDF or whatever. Our AI tools can figure out the description, the product code, the buy price, the sell price, and it can allow for freight and all of those sorts of things. We've tested hundreds and hundreds of different invoices across a range of marketplaces, and it's working really well. Another AI tool that we have is one where from within the product screen, you can have it automatically generate a meaningful product description or a product name. You can have it also automatically generate a blog post and publish that to your e-commerce site blog. Those tools are easy, they exist, they work, and they're all AI driven, AI enabled. One of the things I really like though is that any report you run in the software, you've got an option to click on an AI button when the report comes up on the screen. And instead of you having to wade through the report that might be 10, 15, 20 pages long, our software will give you, using the AI tools that are embedded, an English version of insights about what that report is showing. It will show you what it sees and present you with opportunities in your business, steps you can take based on what the reports are showing. And those insights within the software, because of the AI tools that are embedded, are pretty substantial. They make a big difference to how the software works and how it serves retail businesses. We've also got an insights dashboard with the software, which is AI facilitated. We're answering the common questions that retailers have. And we say they're common questions because we've talked a lot to retailers about things that are on their mind. Really simple things like what's working, what's not working, what am I missing out on? Is theft an issue? My favorite though is that what am I missing out on one. We know from our research with small business retailers that if you look at the top, say 25% of stock items, they're out of stock generally a quarter of the time in the business, partly because the business doesn't have consistent processes for replenishing stock. The AI tools in our software can can eliminate some of the human steps involved in stock replenishment. We can automatically generate the order so that all you've got to do is say yes or no, rather than you having to go through and figure out what you may want to reorder. And by showing a retailer a dollar value of what they're possibly missing out on in their shop, helps focus their mind on the dollar benefit that's available to them if they engage with these tools. These tools are all demonstrations or examples of AI tools embedded in our POS software. And if you're a retailer looking for point of sale software, and if efficiency matters to you, if value for your business matters to you, if you are creating a business that you want to make easier to run and a business that's easier to sell in the future, then embedded AI tools in your POS software are going to be a way to help you achieve those goals. And so I think it's important that if those goals matter to you, when you're looking at point of sale software, you say to the POS vendor, have you got AI tools embedded in the POS software? If it's yes or no, then you know where you stand. If they say yes, you should say, can you demonstrate them to me, please? Show me exactly what your software is offering in terms of embedded AI tools. Here at Tower Systems right now, we integrate directly with ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Anthropic. How we use those tools is rapidly changing. I'm recording this video on, let me see, today is April 10, 2026. Now, we have an update coming out. It goes into beta release on April 20. I know that's got some awesome enhancements in terms of AI tools. We'll have an update a couple of months after that, which will have more enhancements in the AI space. We are absolutely on a mission to help local, independent small business retailers be as AI engaged, AI ready, and AI capable as their big business competitors. We think that's really important. It's our mission to help local, independent, small retail businesses compete. And today, in 2026, AI plays a critical role in that. AI is not replacing the core value of point of sale software, of curating and managing data that's valuable to your business. But the AI is relying on that data to provide business advice. And that's where the extent of the AI tools in your point of sale software are critical. If you're a specialty retailer, a garden centre, a jeweler, a bike shop, a pet store, a toy shop, a news agency, a bookshop, and if you're looking at point of sale software that doesn't have AI tools embedded in the software, I would suggest you keep looking. You've got to make sure that your software is fit for purpose in business today and what your competitors are doing today. And your competitors are likely using AI. So we're lucky we have a competitive advantage at Tower, and we're going to leverage that. And I'm making this video about it. But the reality is, this is business. It's about efficiency. It's about profitability. It's about value. It's about enjoyment. And AI plays a role in all of those four things. So yeah, if you're looking for point of sale software, ask whether AI tools are embedded in the software. Ask for a demonstration, because if it's not available and if it's not demonstratable, I'd say, look somewhere else. See what else is out there. AI is changing the way we do business today. It's speeding things up. It's helping us make better business decisions. It's helping us have access to a resource that otherwise you might have paid thousands of dollars to access back in the old days, like last year. And I think it's an opportunity for local, independent, small retail businesses to thrive in ways they've not been able to before. Hopefully this has been interesting to you. Thanks for watching.